Yeah, what's up guys? If you have been mining this OGC community with me, token with me, then these are the things you need to do in order for you to prepare yourself for this OGC airdrop. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you link your social account into this OGC application. As you can see my own right here, I have linked my Telegram account, and for you to do that it is very easy. With just a click, then you can be able to do that. I have linked my Twitter, which is X, and for you to do that it's just a click as well. And I have also linked up my Discord account, and with just a click you can also do that. Then the only thing left for me to do is a mutable passport, which I don't think I will be doing that right now. So just make sure you link up your social account into this OGC bot, and then the next thing is for you to link up your wallet into this bot as well. So as we all know that OGC is currently trading at Bitget Pre-Market, and let me quickly show you the current price of this token so that you will know that this is not what you actually want to joke with. So coming right here to the pre-market section, and you will see right here OGC, and current price is around 0.235 USDT. So let's take a inside look of this. As you can see, the total volume, trading volume, is around 22,800 USDT, and you can see the price, the selling price, and then if you go to sell right here, you will see the selling price as well, so that you will know that this OGC is just something that we should be all anticipating to get the airdrop. So right from now, you just have to take this OGC mining serious. So in order for you to take a position for the airdrop, you all need to link your wallet into this mining bot. So if you come right here to your profile, you will see where it says add wallet, and if you click on it, you will see the list of wallets which you can actually add into this application. Currently we don't know the exact wallet to add, but then I will advise you to add your Ethereum EVM. And if you mine Golang in the past, and if you participate in Pixelverse mining also, then you should know what Ethereum EVM means, because the process of linking this wallet in the previous bot, it's likely going to be the same thing you are going to do here. So in order not for you not to waste much of your time, so let me quickly show you how you can get your Ethereum EVM, and then how you can link it into this mining bot right here. So if you click on add Ethereum EVM, you will see a place where it says verify you are woman. It's quite funny, right? But then it is what it is. So another thing you have to take note is that you have to get a code to verify that you are the rightful owner of this account, and then a code will be sent and then a verification code will be sent to your email. And as you can see, in my own case, I have received my code. All I will just do is to copy and then head over back to the bot and paste it right over here. So I have pasted that here, and then I will just click on continue. So right now I'm requested to ask my Ethereum wallet address. And where will I get this Ethereum address from? You can get it from your MetaMask, you can get it from Trust Wallet, you can get it from Bybit Web3 wallet which you created. Then you can also get it from Bitget as well. You can get this Ethereum EVM on any non-custodian supported wallet application. So from the list of applications which I have mentioned, so I will just be going with just one of them, and probably you can use that process to get any EVM address for yourself. So right now I'll be going with MetaMask, because obviously majority will want to use that. And right here I'm in my MetaMask application, as you can see. So what I want to do right now is to create a new wallet, which I will just be doing that right here. I will add a new wallet, and then I will just click add new accounts. So as you can see, I have successfully add a new account right here, and if you click on it, all you have to take note of is this network section. If you click right here, you will see select a network, and just make sure that you select the Ethereum main network. So just click on that, and then you will have your wallet just like this. Another thing I would like to do is to rename this wallet, and then if you click on this three dots right here, you will see edit account name. So I will be naming that OGC. Yeah, I'll be naming that OGC, and then I will save. As you can see, OGC. Then in order for you to get your Ethereum wallet address, so if you click right here on this Ethereum, if you scroll down right here, if you click on receive, so you will see your wallet address right here, and all you have to do is to click on copy. Take note you have 0xCCAA, and if you click on it, and then if you go back right here, you will see that you have it as 0xCCAA. So I just show you that so that we know that you are copying the Ethereum wallet address, and which is the same thing as this. So in your own case, you can just simply click on that and it will copy your address for you. So now we just have to go back to our Telegram application, and then you just have to click on paste, and then you just have to save address, and that is how you add your Ethereum EVM wallet address into this mining application. So if you want to go ahead to add ton, so you can just go ahead to add ton wallet also, and you can add Solana, but I don't think all these are necessary. Once you add your Ethereum, you are good to go. And another thing is that we just have to wait for the official announcement from OGCommunity, then we should know the wallet address to add for the distribution. But we are just doing this to take a precaution measure against the distribution time, so that we won't be rushing Ether for the requirement of this airdrop distribution. So, and for the bonus, if you watch this video to this end, so let me quickly show you how you can get more EVM token for yourself. So if you come right here to this box icon right here, you will see a bunch of tasks you can actually perform to get yourself more OGC points. If you come to daily, you will see some list of tasks you can perform. If you go to one time, then you will see the points the tasks you can perform. And if you go to T apps, you will see the list of tasks you can do to earn more OGC token for yourself. You all know that this OGC is not as popular as our regular tapping application. So this is not where you just come to tap. You just have to come here to claim some points, and this is not popular yet. So you can seize this advantage to invite more people, and for every person you invite into this community, you will be getting some certain reward over them. So as you can see, 10% per active referral. So that's something, and that is that about this video. If you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.